Look for unroasted buckwheat. This is raw, full of nutrients, and is the one used for sprouting. We will begin by soaking the buckwheat in water. Cover it fully with water. Then leave it to soak for 4-6 hours or overnight. This is how the water looks after it has been soaked for a night. Now remove the water. Wash really well the buckwheat. Now we will leave it to sprout overnight. This is what happened. The buckwheat turned into sprouts. Sprouted buckwheat is highly nutritious. It is often considered more digestible and bioavailable than unsprouted buckwheat. Now, spread it on a baking tray. We will bake it at a low temperature, 45 degrees Celsius, and will leave the oven open. I am trying to recreate a dehydrator. This way, we will preserve the nutrition in the buckwheat. After around an hour, the groats are crispy and the water has evaporated. Now it is time to transfer the groats into a blender and turn them into a highly nutritious, gluten-free flour.